Hello, my name is Ashwin Kumar Verma. I'm from Dhanbad, Jharkhand, and this is my fourth capstone project based on the book recommendation system. I made it individually, so let me share my screen. Okay, this is my fourth capstone project based on a book recommendation system by me, Ashwin Kumar Verma. It's a self-paced project. I made it individually. This is me, and this is something about me. My name Ashwin Kumar Verma, lived in Dhanbad, BSc graduate from P.K. Memorial College, enrolled in DS program. This is my fourth capstone project. LinkedIn profile, GitHub profile, and the Twitter profile is this. So I am very much active in these three platforms. If you want to connect to me, you can easily connect to me in these three platforms. Okay. So let's start the book recommendation system and let's start. So the problem statement is during the last few decades, with the rise of the YouTube, Amazon, Netflix, and many such other web service recommendation system have become the much more important in our lives in terms of the providing the highly personalized and relevant content. The main objective of this to create recommendation system to recommend the relevant book to users based on the popularity and the user interest. It means you can, if you want, if you give the first name of any book, let's say you have read Chetan Bhagat books, and if you want to, if you want to read the other book of Chetan Bhagat, which one you have to pick and read. You can easily check it out from this recommendation system. So quickly go through the data summary. The data set is comprised of the three CSV files: user DF data frame, books data frame, and the ratings data frame. Okay, the user data set is the user ID, location, age. Shape of the data set is 27 lakh 8,858 on three columns. The book data set is ISBN, book title, book author, year of publications, publisher, image URL in small, medium, and large. Shape of the data set is 27 lakh 1,360 into 8, and the rating data set is user ID, ISBN, and book rating system, and shape of the data is 11 lakh 49,780 into 3. Okay, here you can see that the user ID and user ID is common, and the ISBN and ISBN are same. So in this particular I have connected these two ratings and the book dataset through ISBN number, because these two are very much common in these two datasets. So I used merger system with respect to ISBN. So this is the dataset of graph observation from the user DF. The age range given here is from 0 to 250. Outliers in the age commons. So here you can see that 0 to 100 age, the very maximum number of users are reading the books. Here you can see that the from here to 50 till 50, the user who has read the book is much more. The density of the users to read book is much more. Here from this graph we can predict that the uh, young age as the young age has enthusiast or very much excited mm, to read books or novels. So replacing the string by int value. So this is the data set, and load dataset, which here you can see the ISBN number and book titles, book authors, and year of publication. So quickly, what I have done in my dataset, first of all, I have imported from my drive, which where I put my data, and this is the data which I have data path which I have extracted from my Google Colab, uh, Google Drive. So thereafter, here you can see that the rating is this one dataset, and the user is this one dataset, and the book is this one dataset. So the dataset has the row and columns is the books rows, and the columns are 27 lakh 1,360 into 8. It means 8 column, and this one is the row 27 lakh approximately rows. Here the user has same 27 lakh rows and 3 columns, and here you can see that 11 lakh 49,780 rows and 3 columns in the rating. So data cleaning, the null value imputations, and the age column has 40% missing value. So here we can see that the age has the 40% missing value, which is which can be neglected, and I happen to use the age criteria in my data set, so uh, it's neglected. I have neglected this age bar. User ID has 0 and the location has the 0 in null values. So let's see the exploratory data analysis using book ratings and the user ID. Here we can see that the 0 rating is the highest. Same all the graph of the data has same. So here we can see conclude that the book ratings and the user ID has the approximately same by the rating by the user. So this is the book ratings versus count graph. Here we can see that the graph shows the maximum number of users are not giving the rating to the book, they just read it only. It means the users just read and read that book, but not giving any rating to give on the site from where he has purchased that book, either Amazon or Flipkart or other online e-commerce website. Very less number of users has given 1 star to book. The star the rating is 1 has very much less than from the other. So this is the graph of book rating versus count. So here we can see that from the graph we can conclude that the book whose rating is 8 has the highest number of users, and the book has the rating 1 has the lowest number of users. Okay, this is the recommendation system I have used to make a recommendation system. This is the code which I have written, and it gives me a 5 output of same similar key nearest point of that book. So this is the final output of my recommendation system, which I have just tried with tried which is my code is working fine or not. So just for checking, I have given the book name Zoya, and it's all give me the 5 output of from similar type of book. So here we can see that my book recommendation system is working very good. So from the picture, it is clear we successfully made the book recommendation system, and it's recommending five output to book with key nearest point. So let me check to the another book so that it okay. Okay. This is the data set. Let me check the another book. This is the code, and let me check to the another book. Okay. This one, second chance. Let me check the second chance and what it's giving the output. Okay, it's giving the successful five output of with the same genres or same book type. We can say this one, two, three, four, and five. Okay, so from here we can see that our work recommendation system is working very good. So collaborative filter at item based, cosine similarity or nearest neighbor, recommendation for the angels and amp and demons. Here we can see that the five recommendation system, um, five recommended by the recommendation system. Test set is actual top rated book. It's a top rated book. So final conclusion is our recommendation system helps an organization to create a loyal customers. The recommendation system today are very powerful. They can handle our new customers too who has visited the site to the first time. They recommend the product which are currently trending or highly rated, and they can also recommend the products which bring the maximum profit to the company. The book recommendation system is a type of a recommendation system where we have to recommend the similar type of book to the reader based on this interest, based on his interest. The book recommendation system is used by online website which provides the ebook like Google Playbook, Open Library, Goodreads, etc. Let's see the future scope of this recommendation system. Given more the information regarding the book dataset, namely features like genres, descriptions, etc., we could implement a content filtering based recommendation system and compares the result with the existing collaborative filtering based system. We would like to explore the various clustering approaches for clustering the users based on the age, location, etc., and then implements the voting algorithms to recommend items to their user depending on the clusters into which it's belong. So this is my whole project. I hope you liked it. Mm, and thank you.